Gear up to dive into cutting-edge transformative machines which can skyrocket your revenue. With the advancements in technology, robotic kitchens are being introduced. For example, GoodBite, which can single-handedly cook and serve dishes. This is already revolutionizing the operations of cafes and restaurants. It's not just in the restaurant domain, even in the packaging domain. The advancement is already there. For example, the latest circular loom from Who produces up to 140 meters of fabric per hour. So let's look at 20 such machines which are futuristic and revolutionary at the same time. 1. Fruit, vegetable, and meat dryer. With this commercial-grade dryer machine, customers can preserve the freshness of products with this commercial-grade dryer. This is a good product and works well in both business-to-business models and business-to-customer models. 2. Electric machine for making pizza cones. The electric machine for making pizza cones is a viable product by which one can create cone-shaped pizzas. In addition to its user-friendliness, it also has the ability to produce a large quantity of pizza cones quickly. This is very useful for large-scale businesses. Customization is also possible with this. 3. High-performance injection molding machine. The high-performance injection molding machine helps to produce high-quality products like car discs. The use case of this machine is in industries such as automotive, household appliances, and industrial equipment manufacturing. It's effective, productive, and profitable. 4. Equipment for contact welding of steel meshes. Investing in a machine for contact welding of steel meshes is profitable since there's a growing demand for durable and reliable mesh structures in various industries. For example, construction, agriculture, and infrastructure development companies can be customers for this. Using this, you can offer high-quality welded steel meshes. This also can significantly decrease labor costs and increase productivity. 5. Business drone taxis. Traffic jams are an impending problem that needs to be solved. Now, we can see that there are 2 to 3 cars for every family, and this number will only increase in the future. So a Chinese company named Ehang is working on developing remotely piloted flying taxis. And once you get the permissions, half your work is done. The company has already secured permissions from flight authorities for this. Ehang 216 is a 2-seat autonomous passenger vehicle with 16 propellers. If you are wondering whether people would accept it, you'd be surprised to know that there are many customers in China who want to use passenger drones for sightseeing. Looking at this, Norwegian companies are already in line waiting for this technology, since it would help them transport workers and supplies to offshore oil platforms. 6. Automated restaurants. As futuristic as this sounds, it's already here. Yes, we are talking about this new Chinese restaurant, Foodom, with 46 different robots as waiters, patenters, cashiers, and cooks. The best part is when you enter the restaurant, you'll be given a tablet via an automated system which is suspended from the ceiling. The orders can be placed on this tablet, and you will then be served by floor-standing mobile waiter robots. It is mostly useful for ready-made food. 7. Flexible LED screens. It would be a futuristic trend where transparent LED screens would take over the market of advertising campaigns, since they would be perfect for all kinds of design solutions. There are many business routes on this. One is where you can create an agency and earn through assembling and installation of the screens. And the other route is you can rent small spaces and earn through playing videos of advertisers. 8. Edible image printer. It is widely useful in manufacturing confectionaries. Housewives can also use this and earn money easily. All you need to do is set up a website and upload lots of images. And when the customer orders, you can print that out and deliver. 9. Multi-level parking lots. The multi-level parking lots can accommodate 14 to 16 different cars where normally 2 vehicles can be parked. It saves space and can accommodate 7 times what normally we can. This is a great solution to the hassle of finding parking lots in metro cities especially. This operates like a Ferris wheel, where drivers simply have to leave their vehicles on a flat surface. The installation then rotates, lifting the cars into the air to clear space for incoming vehicles. Once the rotation is complete, the driver can get their car using a button on the control panel. Investing in such a parking lot and securing land in strategic locations can yield significant profits, so make sure to check it out. 10. Epilation machine for beauty salons. Epilation machine for a beauty salon has a growing market due to consistent demand for hair removal services. With this machine, salons can attract repeat customers. It has low overhead costs and can generate high profits. 11. Cooling cocktails and ice cream machine. A cooling cocktails and ice cream machine is an excellent option if you want to build a business offering quick and refreshing treats. Cafes and restaurants, especially clients in the food and beverage industry, can be the customer for this. Additionally, custom flavors can be created. 12. CNC machine for furniture production. With these, you can easily transform raw materials into furniture. Also, it is easy to customize the furniture. It does need an intensive investment, but since it cuts down labor costs significantly and the technology allows us to produce on a large scale, the revenue will be high. 13. Machine for making icy smoothies. This machine for making icy smoothies is best for businesses who want to offer quick refreshments. Despite it being a seasonal business, it is unavoidable that it drives huge revenue in the summers, but also in the non-seasonal period can be sold at premiums. 14. Melamine dish manufacturing machine. The melamine dish manufacturing machine is an excellent option for people who want to supply tableware. It will increase operational efficiency since it deals with production of durable and lightweight melamine dishes. 15. Press for opening workshops for dish production. Streamline dish production with this press, facilitating the opening of workshops for dish manufacturing. Its user-friendly design and automated operation make it easy to start and manage dish production businesses, offering a cost-effective solution for entrepreneurs entering the industry. 16. Vending machine with large showcasing. The vending machine is profitable in the high-traffic areas and can drive huge revenues. 17. Mini excavator for small area work. This mini excavator is compatible and is useful in confined spaces. For example, it can be used in landscaping, construction, and maintenance tasks in urban environments. It is cost-effective and profitable. 18. Soft ice cream and frozen yogurt machine. Soft ice cream and frozen machines can be used to serve these items made fresh on site. This machine has a quick freezing technology that ensures creamy textures and rich flavors. 19. Automatic packaging machine. This is an untapped market in a lot of places. The packaging efficiency can be increased with automatic packaging machines. This can help to quickly and accurately wrap products for retail distribution and can potentially drive huge revenue. It also offers customization for various packaging needs, in addition to streamlining production processes for businesses. 20. Handheld laser welding machine. The handheld laser welding machine is revolutionary in the welding operations industry, offering precision in metal fabrication. It significantly reduces labor costs and also at the same time increases productivity in various fields like automotive, manufacturing, and aerospace. There are many such businesses. One such example is an automated line from Hino, will produce facial cosmetic masks at a speed of up to 20 pieces per minute. The size and shape of the mask can be changed upon customer request, suitable for manufacturers of cosmetic care products. This also is a huge advantage of advanced technology. Lastly, looking at these machines, which are innovative and futuristic, we can surely say the possibilities for profitable business opportunities are endless. All we need is the right opportunity and right time with product market fit to tap into the market and earn huge revenue. And that's all for this video. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and comment down which business you found interesting. And let us know in the comments if you are using any of these machines in your business. If you're interested in innovative business ideas, don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.